Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now just imagine you got a call from your friend and she's gonna meet you in 30 minutes. Oh my god, you're gonna panic, right? But I'm gonna go through different steps to make this process easier for you so that you can get ready in 30 minutes or less. So let's get started with the video. And there is a pro tip at the end of the video, so don't forget to watch till the end. Step number one would be your hair. Now, no matter what you're wearing, if your hair is a mess, it's gonna spoil the whole look. So for me, hair is the main character of your look. Now, I would recommend 3 quick hairstyles if you are in the rush. Hairstyle number one would be a sleek bun or a sleek ponytail. Now this is not everybody's cup of tea, I understand that, but if you can do it, I can guarantee it's gonna look chic and put together. It's very easy to pull off as well because your hair might not be that bouncy and fresh. So if it's oily, it's just very easy to throw it into a ponytail and wrap it around it and put a hair tie. I'm going to add a clip here to show you how to do that. And if you're not comfortable with the sleek ponytail or bun, you can always take out some strands from the front to frame your face, and that also will look cute. For the second hairstyle, all you need is dry shampoo and a straightener. Use dry shampoo on the top of the head to give that extra volume, and also it's going to soak up the extra oil. Also use the straightener. I'm sure all of you will have at least a straightener, if not a curling iron. So you can use the straightener for some loose waves, and I'm just going to add a clip here to show you how I do it, just to give extra bounce on top and just loose waves. So you can do that as a quick hairstyle when you're in a rush. And for the third hairstyle, all you have to do is tie a heatless curler. You can get it from Amazon, Shein, Temu. It's easily available. All you have to do for this one is, because you don't want to leave it overnight, just dampen your hair a little bit and then just tie that around your hair, and while you do your makeup and get ready, it will set in place. Just a heads up that for this one, if your hair is very silky and straight, it might not hold the curls really well if it's not left overnight. So just try it out beforehand just to be sure it's gonna do that. Next step is makeup. Now I would highly recommend to keep your makeup neutral and minimal. Now for the makeup, I would highly recommend that keep a basket where you have your best lipstick, your go-to lipstick that you know that whenever you wear you look good, your best mascara, your best blush, your best concealer and foundation or BB cream, whatever you feel always looks really good and it's not something that confuses you. Just keep that in a separate basket. So when you're in a rush, all you have to do is grab that basket and you know these products work for you and it's gonna look amazing every single time. When I'm in a rush, what I do is use concealer around my eyes, a spot conceal if I need to, and use a lipstick and put the same lipstick as a blush and eyeshadow as well. And I always wear mascara because that just opens up your eyes, but you can always use a black eyeshadow to tightline your lash line. That just opens up your eyes a little bit. And don't forget the highlighter, because I love highlighter, so I just dab it on the high points of the cheek. For the outfits, which is definitely the most important thing, and you would panic what to wear, and that's with every other girl, even if you have a lot of clothes in your closet. There are some outfit options which I can recommend, which no matter what, it will look always good. First up would be a dress. Now it's the easiest to pull together. Wear any flowy dress or fitted dress, it's gonna always look put together, and it's just the easiest way to get ready quickly. So I highly recommend invest in some casual looking everyday sort of dresses. Don't invest too much into party dresses because you don't wear it often. You can wear like a loose relaxed dress, or you can wear a maxi dress or a mini dress, whatever you like, whatever your style is. If you're wearing a bodycon dress, you can always add like an oversized shirt on top, and that looks really chic and very stylish as well. The second outfit I would recommend would be wearing a wide legged trousers or pants with a crop top. This always looks good and I have tested it so many times. So if I'm in a rush, I always wear a crop top or a fitted top like this one and just fold it a little bit and wear it with a wide legged pants or even a loose pant. It looks always chic and put together. For the third outfit, you can wear a set. It's easy to throw on because it's matching and it's gonna look chic and put together. So definitely I would say try getting some sets if you don't have already, but just a matching set always looks chic and put together. It could be shorts and a top, or it could be like pant and shirt, shirt half tucked in. So there's so many options in sets, so you can try that. That's a very easy and quick way to get ready. And the fourth option, what I would suggest would be a satin skirt. If I am in a rush and I don't know what to wear, I always gravitate towards satin skirt. That always looks good. So you can pair it with crop crop top, you can pair it with the white button down, you can pair it with any top. It's gonna look amazing. With the accessories, I keep it simple and I always use the sandwich method. So I match the color of my bag with my footwear, and if I'm in a rush, I always go for black. It's the easiest, so I usually go for a black shoulder bag or a sling bag and match it with my footwear. Now with the footwear, I have 3 options. So either I'll go with the ballet flats. So black ballet flats always looks very chic and easy and very stylish. The second option would be simple black sandals, and again that looks very nice and chic at the same time. And the third option would be white sneakers. So white sneakers, as you guys know, always looks put together. And for white sneakers, you don't have to follow the sandwich method. You can still carry a black bag because white is kind of a neutral color. And the last 5 minutes, I would say accessorize a little bit, which is really important. So wear some bracelets like these, some rings, and also I would say wear like a nice neck piece every single day, which is like your signature neck piece with a little bit of like pendant style. So that way you don't have to layer a lot every single day, and that also looks like very nice and put together. And some earrings or hoops will also look nice. And the last thing to do would be taking out that heatless thing from your hair. If you're using that hairstyle, before taking it out, use strong hold spray all over so that the curls stay put. And there you go, you are all set for your outing with the friend, and you got ready in less than 30 minutes. And the pro tip I was talking about was keeping an outfit log, and that will save you a lot of time and energy in deciding your outfits. Now there are a couple of ways to do it. First of all, take a picture of your outfit every single day when you are getting ready. So either you can put a note in your picture. In iPhone there is an option putting notes under your picture, and if you like write caps lock OOTD, you can save that. And if you search in your gallery OOTD, you will see all those outfit of the day pictures, and you know which one looks good, and you can just look at that and just select your outfit if you're in a rush. Second option would be just selecting all those pictures and putting it into a new album, which you can name it as outfit of the day, and you can always look into it when you are in a rush. But if you're like me and you don't want to add a lot of storage onto your phone, you want to delete those pictures later on, what you can do is you can just take a picture and just save it into a Pinterest board, which is amazing. So you can have like a Pinterest board which can be private, and just name it as your outfits, and you can still delete all the pictures from your phone. Or the last option would be to create a private Instagram account other than your main one, and just post all your outfit pictures onto it, and that way you can always delete your pictures from the phone, but you'll still have that catalog of pictures on Instagram, and you can always look into it when you are getting ready. That's it guys, these were the tips and tricks I usually use to get ready in less than 30 minutes, and I hope this was helpful for you. And if you have any suggestions for future videos related to fashion and styling, let me know in the comments down below. I will get back to it, and I'll try my best to bring out those videos as soon as I can. But I do have a 9-to-5 job, so it gets really difficult for me to bring out a video very often. But I promise you, I want to give you the best content, and it would be as much as I can, as soon as I can, but definitely something which will be really helpful for you. And I'm really grateful for all your love, and I really want to thank you all for helping me, supporting me with everything, and I really love you guys. So yeah, having said that, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.